Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. I just really wanted to focus here on the lower degree price action. We are still waiting for one more low on the Ethereum chart. That count is valid and reasonable and likely as long as we stay below 1864, which is the golden ratio of this third wave retracement. And the question is now, has the wave 4 topped or not? It could have. It could certainly have topped. We have enough waves to count it as complete. But because the last move up here was so choppy, it is also possible that the B wave here is still in the making. Yeah, and that we have a C wave still to come higher. That to a degree certainly depends on what Bitcoin is doing, because on the Bitcoin chart we have both possibilities as well. That B wave would then have unfolded as an A, B, C in itself, and I can give you a target for that B wave to the downside by taking the Fibonacci extension tool, take the length of that decline. So we have then 1781 and 1754 as likely options for the B wave. If it goes below 1754 or 1755, we have to assume that the wave 4 already topped. Either way, of course, the wave 4 can basically do what it wants in this region here. It has the entire space it can use all the way up to 1864, 1865. As long as it stays below that level, it is still likely to expect a fifth wave to the downside. And at the moment, what you can see, certainly if we go to the indicators, you can see we are now on the 1 hour chart. There is no divergence visible yet on the 1 hour chart. Let's see if we see something on the 30-minute. We're now on those lower time frames here, but also here I don't see a bearish divergence, which is interesting. Yeah, so let's see the 4 hour, because that could be an indicator for a drop coming where there isn't one yet. So there might be really a further push here to the upside in that C wave. Yeah, get that B wave completed, finish off the C, and then come down later in the fifth wave to complete this larger correction that we're in, this larger A, B, C correction in a wave 2. Again, this is still the support area for the entire wave 2 between 1533 and 1754, between that 78.6 retracement and the 50% retracement. So yeah, it's been a very slow weekend. We've been talking about that. We have actually forecasted that on Friday we talked about that this wave 4 will probably be happening, will be taking place on the weekend. That was the case. So now we see, it's nearly weekly candle close, so we might get a little bit more end of the week volatility in. And if we break through those levels that are indicated to the downside, it indicates that the fifth wave is in the making. And to the upside here, if we take out today's high, it will push us higher, and then we've got resistance at 1841 and 1864. There is not much more to add at this stage because it has been a very slow day, a slow weekend. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.